Hey there, egg lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make hard-boiled eggs using your Ninja air fryer. No boiling water, no timers, just pure air-fried magic. Let's crack into it. Before we get started, make sure to preheat your air fryer to 270 degrees Fahrenheit or 132 Celsius. This ensures even cooking and helps your eggs turn out perfectly. Next, grab your eggs. You can use as many as your air fryer basket can comfortably fit. I'm doing 4 today because, honestly, I'm hungry. Place the eggs directly in the basket. No oil or foil needed. If your eggs are straight out of the fridge, cook them for 15 to 17 minutes. For room temperature eggs, go for 12 to 14 minutes, depending on how hard you want the yolk. I'll go for 13 minutes because, well, I like my yolks just right. Firm, but not overcooked. While the eggs cook, the air fryer circulates hot air around the eggs, cooking them evenly. Once the eggs are in place them in a bowl of cold water or an ice bath for about 2 minutes. This will stop the cooking process and make peeling them much easier. Once a couple of minutes have passed, you are now able to peel them. And look, perfectly cooked, easy to peel eggs. The shell practically jumps off on its own. Beautifully cooked hard-boiled eggs, courtesy of your Ninja air fryer. The yolk is firm but creamy and the whites are tender. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below with your favorite air fryer hacks.